Straight from the shore, this is Sea Lion News. A powerful bomb cyclone slammed the United States East Coast, cancelling more than 5,000 flights and leaving over 600,000 properties without power as record-breaking snowfall buried entire cities. Parts of Rhode Island and Massachusetts saw up to 37 inches of snow, making it the worst snowstorm in Rhode Island's history, while New York City's Central Park recorded more than 19 inches. Travel bans were enforced across several states, shutting down highways, bridges and airports, with nearly all flights cancelled out of LaGuardia and JFK. In Massachusetts, almost 300,000 customers lost electricity, and the Boston Globe announced it would not print for the first time in its 153-year history. Officials warned of whiteout conditions and dangerous roads as the storm moved into eastern Canada, while freezing temperatures and additional snow systems threatened to prolong disruptions across the region.
Sea Lion News, where waves meet headlines.
Dive in and follow us across all social media.